Welcome. That's his little puppy. It's making little noise.
I swear to God, it just went... And I thought it was you. I thought, not only has she done that, she's also stopped.
Oh, well, just give him a little stroke, make sure he's all right. Right, still to come, Deirdre is on the phone line today. She'll be taking your calls around midday.
First, though...
Shush.
Can you turn it off?
How did you turn it off?
I don't know. All right, we've got 46 days to go until Christmas. What will your children be writing? On that list to Santa to help give you a head start. We've got the spies at the Toy Retailers Association have been poking around Santa's grotto. And released the top 12... We haven't got time to do them now. The top 12 must-haves this year.
And, of course, there was only one man who we could trust to make sure you don't miss out this year. Steve, where are you?
Yes. Good morning. What are you two like? Honestly, this is a serious item. I'm dressed in a serious costume. Here we come. There we are. Hello, everyone.
Oh, I love the train.
Sorry if I'm late. Sorry if I'm late. There was leaves on the line.
That's so cute.
I
Sound
want
like you.
that.
It's amazing, isn't it?
So cool.
The lovely people at Woking Miniature Railway.
Oh,
lent us
thank
that.
you.
Thank you very much for lending us that.
Very nice. So, good morning.
Hi.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Yes,
really
I found,
good.
it's all right. I found out he needed